VBAC is vaginal birth after cesarean section. So, if the patient has undergone 1 or 2 previous cesarean sections, and can we give her the trial of labor in this pregnancy? So, we are having some prerequisites for the VBAC. So, what are the prerequisites is that the onset of labor should be spontaneous, and next thing is that the period of gestation should not go beyond 40 weeks, and the other thing is that the previous scar should be lower segment scar and it should be transverse scar, and the gap between the previous cesarean section and the period of conception should be more than 2 years of period. And as I told you, like the spontaneous onset of labor should be present. And even though if she lands into any emergency, we should shift the patient within less than 30 minutes, so that our hospital or our facility should have emergency, should have the anesthetist and everyone, so that we can shift the patient within less than 30 minutes. And not only that, the patient should not have any obstetric complication in this pregnancy like placenta previa or vasa previa or any abruption, or the patient should not have any cephalopelvic disproportion. Then we can go for the VBAC. Thank you.